home, many people can and do weigh the food they eat. It's as easy as putting it on a scale. But scales don't work without gravity. So, how do astronauts measure the weight of small items in a microgravity environment like the International Space Station? They measure mass instead. What's the difference? Mass is the measure of how much matter something contains. Weight, on the other hand, is the measurement of the pull of gravity on an object.
We can actually know how much our plants are weighing that the astronauts will consume. So they use the Newton's second law of motion, which has force, mass, and acceleration.
Under the same amount of force, an object with more mass will accelerate less. So, to apply this in space, astronauts use the Mass Measurement Device, MMD, which launched to the space station in 2017.
They then put these plant samples inside a little Ziploc bag, and then the mass measurement device goes back and forth a few times.
The MMD applies a known acceleration to the sample and measures the resulting force, allowing the system to determine its mass. It can measure between 1 and 100 grams and has an accuracy of 0.1 grams.
It's wonderful. It's really, really accurate. So it's a great new tool that we have.
There are multiple mass measurement devices on the space station. They measure everything from astronauts who are monitoring their health to freshly harvested produce from the station's veggie growth chamber. So, when microgravity makes it impossible to tip the scales, it's mass that matters most.